euro. On the 15 minutes, I was just watching this level. I was just watching this down candle, and I drew the daily because they managed to come back and close above this high. So remember, flip the concept of a flip trade. This is our down candles. They fail to hold to send price up, sell price down, so that becomes a flip trade. And I was looking at this down candle earlier with this. That's the opening price of today. Yeah, the opening price of today. So what I was looking at is the power of 3. I don't know if I've talked about it, where we have price open and then we drop and then we go up and then we come down and then we close. I think I've talked about this. That's what I was visualizing on here, that they did manage to come below the opening price. So we opened, we went up, and that should go down for the rest of the day, and then we close. Okay, so open, we went up first and then we went down, so we're supposed to go down and then close. Okay, but it looks like we open, went up, went down, and then went up. So it's looking at open, down, up, and then close. Or we're gonna get a sideways market today, which is open, up, down, and then we just stay in here and then not go anywhere. All right, that's the narrative that I was trying to depict with this straight line. So right now it's looking as if they want to stay in the side. On the daily chart, you're gonna see a candle that doesn't do much. Let's get rid of this box. Right, so the daily candle is gonna be like this. Okay, back and forth. Okay, and that's what might end up doing, because they've gone above the opening price and then went below and then gone above again. Okay, so this looks like it's gonna be a, let me go and draw this one. So we want something like this. We open, we drop, and then we just keep going higher, and then we close, and then by the end of the day the candle becomes a bullish candle. Or we open, we went up, and then we go down, go back up, and then we come back down, and we close bearish for the day. This is not doing that. Yeah, we open, we went up, came down, went up, and then price is now struggling to go higher. Right, so we might end up having sideways market for the day. So maybe not a good day for euro to be traded. Okay, so just jump on to pound. I thought this thing might rally and go up, but it's not the case. I think they might keep price in a range, but keep an eye on dollar. Okay, and keep an eye on this low. If we break below this low, this thing is gonna tear down. We're gonna see some pretty large candles going down, something like this. Okay, and if that's the case, that will be a close above this high, and then this thing will just continue going up. I have this level up here. If you do see it, okay, if you do see it, then look to target that to close in that range or that void. Yeah, if you do see price closing above this high, let this down candle be your stop, and then target this, because the concept of the flip trade is still there. Let's go into the hourly so you can see it. So we have these down candles and it failed to support price. The only downside to it is they are not closing above it. It's only going for stops and then rejecting. Okay, so if you try to be smart and try to buy it, they might suck you in, and then you get stuck in a buy. That price doesn't go up, and then if you try to sell it, then they push it up, so you get stuck. All right, so if you see on the 15 minutes price close above this high, right, then you can buy to the 1.18386 level, which is this one here. Okay, so this is just intraday trading. If you see a close above this high, you can put your stop below here and target there.